Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw beautiful rocket in a very easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I complete my drawing. Now let's start to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Here I'm using brush pen color. First one I'm using red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Here I'm using orange color. Color, which color do you want? I want orange color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Now I'm using yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. Now I'm using light blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want light blue color. Here I'm using deep blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep blue color. And the last one I'm using light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Wow, the rocket is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.